Hello friends and new friends, welcome back to my channel. I have an order for some Gummy Bear earrings today. I have 3 pairs to make. I showed a video of making a Gummy Bear necklace, the Gummy Bear bracelet, so I thought I'd make the earrings and show you how I make them. This is ideal for beginners. That's enough. Now I'm actually using surgical steel earring wires. I have stainless steel and these are surgical steel, which is very good if you have delicate ears like me. So all you do, I've got some pink gummy bears, some lilac sparkle and blue, and these are 5mm stainless steel jump rings. This doesn't matter if it's not surgical steel because this isn't going into the ear. And let's do the pink pair. So we open the jump ring this way, never that way. We attach our gummy bear and then we put our earring wire and we close. Take another jump ring. These are 5mm. Please excuse my nail varnish. I must do them later. Right. There's another one. If you notice the way they are, we want the earring to be exactly the same. That's why they're going on that way. And then we close. I've just noticed I need to close this one a little bit more. There's a bit of a gap. There we are. Then I attach them to the card. I put 2 silicone earring backs, which is also good for delicate ears, rather than using any metal. I do this one. Just push them on. And there's our first pair. We'll make the blue pair now. So again, we've got our jump ring, which has a split. We open just enough to attach the charm, pendant, whatever you're using. Earring wire, and then close. A bit more. There we go. Another one. Hope you've had a good day today. I've been so busy sending all your orders out from the weekend. Thank you so much for your orders. We really appreciate it. And you help the little animals in our care. I must do a video to show you some of our small fur babies. And when you buy things from the website or Etsy, it goes towards helping them with veterinary fees. So that's another pair done, and I'm just going to do one more. There's lots of different charms on my website, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. Earring wire. I'll put a description, a link in the description below for you. The last one. This one. There, and there's our earrings. I just have to get some cards to put these on. And that's how easy it is to make some gummy bear earrings. Put them there. So if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. I've got other tutorials available and lots more planned. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye.